Hello guys! Usapang MP2 tayo in today's video. Merong nag-request ng sample computation ng 1 million to 5 million pesos. How much after 5 years? For this exercise, meron tayong 5 scenarios na gagamitin. One-time payment lahat ng 1 million up to 5 million pesos. And then, for each scenario, meron akong calculation ng annual versus compounded dividend para malaman kung gaano kalaki ang difference. And for this exercise, gagamitin natin ang historical dividend rate the past 5 years from 2018 to 2022 for the sake of calculation. Take note that total dividends na makukuha will depend on the actual dividend rates na i-declare ng Pag-IBIG Fund. Estimate la itong calculations na gagawin natin, so pwedeng higher or pwedeng lower yung actual dividends na makukuha after 5 years. To simplify our calculation, gagawin nating January lahat ang start date for the 5 scenarios. Reminder lang, kung gusto mo mag-umpisa mag-save sa MP2, you don't have to wait until January to start. You can start anytime. The earlier, the better. This is the Pag-IBIG MP2 calculator na ginawa ko sa Excel. Explain ko lang muna kung paano gamitin itong calculator. So, this is for 5-year end term compounding dividend. And dito ka lang mag-i-input sa yellow cells. Okay? So, for example, nag-start ka ngayon 2023. So, ilalagay mo 2023. And then, yung dividend rate for 2023 ay next year pa natin malalaman, around April or May. And dito naman sa contributions, input mo lang yung total contributions mo for each month kasi monthly ang basis ng dividend calculation. For this calculation, so gagamitin lang natin ang 2018 to 2022 na dividend rates. Alright, so in-input ko na lahat ng dividend rates from 2018 to 2022. So yung year 1, simple pa lang yung calculation ng dividend. So total contribution sa scenario 1 is 1 million pesos, and then imumultiply lang siya sa dividend na 7.41%. And then, mangyayari for the following year, so maki-carry forward yung total accumulated contributions mo dito and yung total dividends na na-earn. And then, mag-earn ng dividend kung ano yung actual dividend rate na i-declare. Maki-carry forward siya ulit the following year hanggang umabot ang 5 years. So after 5 years, yung 1 million pesos na one-time payment mo ay magiging 1,386,658 pesos and 94 centavos. Okay, so this is for the compounded dividend. Ayan, so in-input ko na dito yung dividends from year 1 to year 5. And total dividends after 5 years ng 1 million pesos na one-time deposit is 386,658 pesos and 94 centavos. Ang total ROI niya after 5 years ay 38.67%. Sa annual payout naman, mas simple ang calculation. Ang calculation niya is total contribution times the dividend rate. So, ganun lang siya yearly. Sa year 1, walang difference pag compounded and annual. So, same lang ng dividend. Mag-iiba lang yung dividend pagdating ng second year. Pag annual payout ka, ang total dividend mo ay mas mababa after 5 years, 337,900 pesos. And ang total ROI niya after 5 years ay 33.79%. So, merong difference na 48,758 pesos and 94 centavos. So, napunta naman tayo sa next scenario, which is yung 2 million pesos na one-time deposit. So, syempre, pag lumalaki na yung total contribution, so mas malaki na rin yung dividends na ma-earn. So, magdodoble na yung dividend kasi na times 2 na yung capital. And then, maki-carry forward siya to the next year, mag-earn ng dividend hanggang matapos ang 5 years. So after 5 years, yung 2 million pesos na one-time deposit ay nasa 2,773,317 pesos and 87 centavos. And then yung annual dividend naman ay nasa 675,800 pesos after 5 years. So merong difference na almost 100,000 pesos na sa 2 million pesos na one-time deposit. So now let's move to the next scenario, which is yung 3 million pesos na one-time deposit. So ganun pa rin yung process hanggang matapos ang 5 years. So ngayon, pag meron ka ng 3 million na one-time deposit, aabot na sa 1 million mahigit ang total na dividend na makukuha. Yung 3 million na one-time payment ay magiging 4,159,976 pesos and 81 centavos. So ito yung total dividends pag compounded ang dividend mo. And yung annual dividend ay naabot din ng 1 million. So merong difference na 146,276 pesos. Next scenario is 4 million pesos naman. So after 5 years, yung 4 million mo ay nasa 5,546,635 pesos and 74 centavos. And then pag annual dividend naman ay nasa 1,351,600 pesos. Almost 200,000 pesos na yung difference sa dividend pag nasa 4 million ang one-time deposit. And yung pang-fifth na scenario naman is yung 5 million na one-time contribution. So pag 5 million after 5 years ay almost 7 million na siya. Yeah, so yung 5 million ay nasa 6,933,294 pesos and 68 centavos. Total dividend siya ay almost 2 million na pag nasa 5 million one-time deposit. And pag annual dividend naman ay 1,689,500 pesos ang total dividends after 5 years. And merong difference na 243,794 pesos. So, ayan ang comparison ng compounded dividend versus annual payout. Kung ang objective mo is to grow your money, then piliin mo yung 5-year end term para compounded ang dividend. Mas malaki yung total dividends na makukuha mo after 5 years. Pero kung ang objective mo naman is magkaroon ka ng yearly passive income, pwede mo piliin yung annual payout para yearly pwede mong ma-withdraw yung dividends. There's no limit kung magkano ang pwedeng i-save sa Pag-IBIG MP2. You can save as much as you want. However, if you make a lump sum deposit of above 100,000 pesos, you need to submit proof of income or source of fund in compliance with AMLA. Ito yung Anti-Money Laundering Act in the Philippines. If you make a lump sum deposit naman that exceeds 500,000 pesos, you will be required to make such remittance via personal check or manager's check kung wala kang personal check. If you want a copy of the MP2 calculator, you can sign up using the link below in the description box. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching.